Hello, this video is going through scenario 4 from the Kaplan exam kit on Spreadsheets. It's called Goodtime Travel. Right, task 1. So customers can receive discounts off their holidays. Discount will only be given if a customer has booked a previous holiday. Discount is given of 2p per mile, which they've given us there in E1, from a previous holiday. Discount is then deducted from the price of the current holiday. Finance director considering adapting the discount rates so different, so that they are different for each destination. Details of the miles travelled for each destination are given on the discount worksheet. Right, so miles travelled. In column C, use a formula to calculate the discount for a particular destination. So we're just going to go equals the 2p discount from E1, which I'm just going to stick the dollar signs into because I want to always look at that, multiplied by the number of miles. Oh, typo. Start again. Equals the discount with the dollar signs times the number of miles. Copy it down. Format currency, 2 decimal places, already done. I'm not going to bother with showing formulas and auto width columns. On the weekly sales worksheet, in the discount column, column F, use a VLOOKUP. From the discounts worksheet to calculate any applicable discounts. Okay, so I want to look up the previous destination. I want to look it up in this discount column, which I want to fix, so put the dollar signs in. I want to find, so column 1, 2, 3, so it's 3 in the column index number, and we want it to be an exact match. I'm just going to turn those into currency. In the column G, use a formula to calculate the amount owing for each booking, deducting any discount. So equals the holiday price, subtract the discount, copy it down. Format to currency, I've already done. Orientate, Goodtime, work, save it as, right. Task 2, Goodtime Travel has recently invested in a marketing campaign to try and encourage new customers to use its service. The marketing manager has said that the campaign will be viewed as a success if at least 40% of income each week is generated from new customers. So on the weekly sales worksheet, so we've got here previous customer, yes or no, that's going to be key. So on the weekly sales worksheet, create a pivot table. So highlight my data, insert pivot table. The range is fine. I want it in a new worksheet. And it is going to be new customers with old, so that's my previous customer question mark, because that can be either yes or no. How much revenue has been generated for the different destinations? And they've conveniently told us that they want the the existing, the customer thing to be the column. So if I pull that over there, that looks sensible. So yes, I've got a yes or a no, whether they're an existing customer, destinations, grand totals. So that looks good to me. Call this worksheet pivot, right click, rename. Move it to the right of weekly sales. In cell G15, so here, create an expression, just a formula basically, to calculate the total percentage of income that is generated from new customers. So remember, this question here was, are they an existing customer? If I go back here, so it says previous customer, yes or no. So if I have the percentage from new customers, that's the no's. So I'm going to go equals the total of no's divided by the grand total. And then if I just click on this percentage button, it will convert that to a percentage. And I'm told it's to be formatted as percentage with 2 decimal places. So let's increase the decimal, 66.30. In cell F15, add the title percentage new customers and make it fit. In cell H15, use an if function to determine whether the campaign was a success. Successful should appear if more than 40% of the income is from new customers, and unsuccessful if less than 40% is from new customers. So equals if. And my test is if this number is greater than 40%, comma, say successful, and if it's false, say unsuccessful, close bracket. So it was indeed successful because that is over 40%. Format the outcome of the if formula by making it bold and enlarging it to text size 16. And then you would save. Task 3, the finance director is considering changing the discount on offer per mile for repeat customers. He wants the discount amount for the following destinations changed. So we've got Sydney and Fiji, a new discount compared to what it is currently. So on the what if analysis worksheet, copy all the discount information from the discount worksheet. So I'm just going to left click in that top left, right click, copy, right click, paste. Okay, so I have copied and pasted the information from the discount worksheet, pasted it in there. Using what if analysis, goal seek, so data, goal seek, calculate what the revised discount rate per mile needs to be to reduce the discount offered for Sydney. Right, so I want the new discount for Sydney, which is cell C4, to be set to the new discount figure of 250 by changing cell E1. So now when I press the OK button, we should see it's working on it. Yep, so you can see that it's worked out to get this discount to 250, the discount has to be set to 0.01. Now that shouldn't have a pound sign. Let me just OK that for a second. Why has that got a pound sign? That should just be general, that one. Right, so it has to change to 1%. Did it have a pound sign in here as well? Oh, let's get rid of that. Okay. Right, so that what if analysis has shown us that to get the Sydney discount to 250, we have to change the discount to 0.01. So it then says copy and paste the value of this result into cell D20. So I'm going to go right click copy, D20 is down here, right click, paste special, and I just want the value. Now that's important because now what we're going to do is we're going to change this back to 0.02 and it's going to leave that value down there. Provide a suitable heading in A20. So this is the Sydney discount. And then basically we've got to repeat that for Fiji. So let's do a bit quicker this time, hopefully. So data, what if, goal seek, Fiji's discount has to be 300 from the question by changing my discount percentage. So we can see similar again. But when we actually copy and paste that value, paste special, the value, you can see it is slightly different, although it looks the same when it's rounded. And it wants me to reset that discount to 0.02. And that's it.